Hello guys, welcome back to hashtag A to Z with Varsha, and today we are going to learn 10 different ways to style letter X. So as you can see, I have already drawn guidelines here. Here you will see the basic formation of letter X. Here we will do the lowercase flourishing, and here we will do the uppercase flourishing. For that I am using my Tombow Fibonacci hard tip brush pen, which is a small tip brush pen. If you want, you can do this with a big tip brush pen like Camlin also. So let's start. I am starting with the formation of lowercase letter x. First we will go with a downstroke, and for the second line we will go up. If you want, you can make it little curvy like this, and then for going up, again a thin stroke. Same way you have to make the uppercase letter X, and for uppercase you have to use ascender and baseline. So we will start from ascender, and here we will move down, so it's a downstroke, which is a thick line, and then we will move up, so a thin stroke. So basic formation of letter X is done. Now we will move to the lowercase flourishing. So for the first one, I'm doing a different style. First we are moving down, so a downstroke. Then for connecting this, we are going up, so this one will be a thin line. And then again we are moving down, so this one will be a thick line. So this is done. Now for this one, first I will write X like we do for the basic formation, but we will make this one a little curvy. Then the thin line, and now I will add my flourishing. Now we will start with the small flourishing here, and then we will go with the basic formation. Now I will start with the downstroke, and then we'll do flourishing here. And just to complete this, I will add this thin stroke. So we are done with the lowercase flourishing. Now we will move to the uppercase flourishing. For uppercase, we will use ascender and baseline as the height of our letter. So let's start. Starting from the ascender line, here I will do little flourishing. And now for moving down, I will hold my pen at an angle of 45 degree and will simply go up. Now I will start this one with a circular flourishing followed by the basic formation. Now for this one, first we will do the basic formation like this, and now here I will add my flourishes. Now the last one. So guys, we are done with letter X flourishing. Now only two more letters are left for our series hashtag A to Z with Varsha to end. If you want, you can connect with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is Creative Corner by Varsha. Link is in the description box. So if you want, you can follow me there. Thank you.